Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
All of the following are used to test the check of chemical disinfection except. For checking the chemical disinfection, we can use Chick-Martin test, we use Reed-Walker's test and Hugh-Gleason test. Sykes test. What is Hugh-Gleason test? Hugh-Gleason test is mainly done to differentiate this Hugh-Gleason test will differentiate the micrococci. It will differentiate micrococci from streptococci. It will differentiate micrococci from streptococci. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.